Okay, so more Kiss unboxing. I know I'm telling you, I'm not lying. Was it a day after or 2 days after? Probably a few days after. Ooh, it's probably 2 days after or in the weekend. I received more of Kiss boxes. I can't believe it. So. I can't. So I'm gonna open this one. Oh, I'm gonna open this one first because this is big, and I'm trying to, unbox fast today because I unboxed a lot today. I need to hurry up. I don't know what time it is, but I'm gonna try and do everything today because I have a lot of things. Okay, so this is from Falscara. I'm pretty sure it's a sister brand from Kiss. So I've never tried their lashes before, so yay. Oh my gosh, I love the purple packaging. Wow. Okay, this film. It's a pretty line. I love pastel lilac shades. I can't. So. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. I need to calm down. My heart is beating fast. My ovaries are jumping right up and down. That they're hurting right now. Like I actually am on the line. It kind of feels weird in my ovaries. I guess that my ovaries are getting too lit too. Like what? I'm not lying. That's freaking weird. And I'm sweating. And I'm just as I hyperventilate. Well, not really, but like the dogs when they're tail wags, pretty much. I'm just that's how I feel inside. Probably outside you can tell, but inside I feel like I need to calm down. Okay, anyways, so this is the new Way to Lash mascara. So I love her braid. Okay, so anyway, so this is their Instagram, Falscara. So I've been seeing these everywhere on Instagram. So I was like, I really want to try those single lashes. I've never tried them before, or maybe once, I can't remember. But I think because I cut my own lashes, but not actual small little lashes. I've never tried, so I'm very excited to try these types of lashes. So these are what. Yeah, I guess I'm also a Falscara affiliate, so okay, I'm affiliate, second affiliate. What? And one day I need to calm down. I'm gonna get a heart attack or what? Not heart attack, but anxiety attack. I don't freaking know. Anyways, I just love the packaging. It's very cute, I guess. It's because I'm so shocked. What the heck? This feels fake. What? I can't. Like, wow. Oop, I don't want to rip it. Okay. Wow. Okay, so let me show you. Damn, they packed it all in their like a box. They put a lot too. Wow. Okay, so this is calling my name. This is a Falscara remover. Wow, so it's an eyelash remover glue thing. I think I never tried this or seen this before. What is this? What the heck? It just says remover. I guess eye makeup remover. Falscara Wiz Fabricator. Wait. Okay, so you just use a cotton pad and saturate with remover on your eyes for 10 seconds, and then you just gently wipe away to remove your wisp and bond and seal. So I guess like the lash glue and the lashes pretty much. So this supposedly is gentle and easy to use. So it's wow. Okay, so very nice. So I love the packaging. It's pink. Let me open the bottle. Let me smell it. So wow, it looks so cool. Wow, look how cute again. Eat it. It looks like, let me shake it. Ooh, wow, so pretty. Wow, I can't. I love it. It looks like a lava lamp again. Looks so cool. What is that? I don't know. I'm getting distracted. Wow. 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 Like, let's see. I can't wait to try this out. I never tried one of these things. I only use micellar water. I don't use it anymore, but it's probably like that, right? Okay, so okay. Wow. Okay, so next is I guess this is the lash glue or lash extension effect overnighter. It's in addition to the Falscara, so secures Falscara with up to 10 days, just like lash extensions. So I guess, I feel like you use these as like a lash extension bonder. If you are a lash tech, you're gonna know. I don't know a lot. I just know a little bit. But yeah, this is kind of like a do it at home, more natural version. So it's gonna last 10 days, and it's not like the professional ones that you get done by lash tech. So this is pretty cool if you don't want to commit and you don't want to waste money, or you just don't want to do it for a long time, so you can try it at home. So with this, it's pretty cool. Okay, so wow, so I think this is clear. It says it's new, made in Korea. Okay, so yeah, you basically apply it on your lashes and then put the lash one by one and then you put a thin coat of seal. So I'm guessing this is the bond. I don't have the seal, I don't think. I don't know, this is confusing because I don't use these things. This is pretty cool though. Wow. Okay, I'm excited to try it out. So I have to do research on it because girl, I don't freaking know what I'm doing. Okay, so the next is the lash extensions. So okay, the first style is Bambi Wisp. Oh my gosh, I love the name. It says right here. So these are natural. Okay, so these are smaller, and you see how they go to small to big. So you put them like this one by one. So yeah, it's like lash extensions. Oh, it's pretty cool to practice with. Oh wow. Okay, so you basically place them underneath your lash line so it will look more natural. Okay, so these are brown and black mix for a natural finish. So you can't really tell, but they are brown right here, but at the ends, but also black. So I don't know if you can tell, but you see brown and then black it's pretty nice. So they don't look like fake lashes. Okay, if you're into the natural lash look. So my shirt fits me big and loose, and it keeps falling. So okay, so wow. Okay, so these are the lash, and these are other brands. So you see how natural it looks and wispy. So this is a good brand. Like I've been seeing everyone use it on Instagram, and it looks very natural and nice. So Wow, I can't wait to try these. I'm so excited. Wow. Okay, so wow. Okay, so the next thing style are these. So these are the multi-pack So Extra Wisp. So these look very wispy and natural, very flared out, like long and like, you know. So damn, they look nice. So these are crisscross pattern. So yes, for a super wispy look, and they're all black. So wow, which is still gonna look pretty natural, but with a little oomph, you know. So okay, I like these. Okay, wow. Okay, wow, these are the more intense ones. They're very, very dark. So these are extra drama wisp. So you see, extra drama wisp. Wow, very, very dramatic, very intense. Wow, so these are gonna be like the mega volume lash set that you go do with a lash tech. You're gonna use these if that's what you're into. So okay, these are pretty nice. So these are curl, volume, and length to the max. Literally, that's what it says. So right here. So yeah, they really are like wow. Okay. Okay, so the next pair of lash are the spiky glam wisp. So you see they're very wispy, glam, a little bit natural but not really. So they're very black, they're pretty. So okay, they're nice. These are trendy and glam high density spiked effect. So this is more for if you want to go with the glam trendy Instagram look, then you use these. Okay, I like that they say that style, so you can kind of know what to pick. Like me, like I'm like, I don't know, it's confusing. Wow, this is pretty cool. I'm funny. Okay, so the last pair of lash extensions are the accent wisp. Ooh, these look very nice. They're interesting. They're not traditional. So these are the ones that lashes that you want to use to add a little pop of something, like add them in the middle, maybe one at the end, and that's it. And then add like the super natural ones throughout the whole lash line kind of thing. So these are very versatile, and you can stack or wear on its own. So yeah, these are pretty, like I said, stacked, like one in the middle, one at the end, and the rest are different, or yeah, stacked, doubled it up with these. So yeah, these are pretty nice. Wow. Okay, so far I'm loving the styles. Okay, they're pretty, wow, interesting. So oh yay, lash set. Wow. Okay, so this is very, very natural lashes. I wouldn't use these, but they actually will look good on its. I'm pretty sure they look very, you know, small and dry, but trust me, once you put them on, they're gonna look good. So it comes with a lash glue and the bond and seal. So like a, you know, traditional lash extension. Those are the steps you have to use, and other things. Anyway, so, and yay, obviously the tweezers are very pretty. So this is how you apply it. Okay, so bond, apply the lash, and then you seal, and then that's it. So okay, I love that they teach you how to use it in the bag. So wow. Wow, these are in the style, I don't know, girl, it doesn't say. I don't know the style. What? I'm sorry. I'm trying to help y'all if y'all want to buy it, but okay, so But I'm pretty sure I'll try to use these in a separate video. This looks cool. What is this? It's so big. Okay, so this is the last thing. Wow, it's so big. I don't know what it is. I'm so excited. Maybe more lashes. I don't know. Okay, we'll see. Ta-da! And maybe a big mirror. It's big. Oh no. Ooh. Look at the colors. Super pretty. Okay, so what is this? Oh yay, it is a big mirror. I guess, right, what else? Oh, oh wow, it's cool. So you put it like a stand like this. Oh yeah, like this. Wow. Cool. Wow. Wow, it's a good quality mirror. I see all of my flaws right now. Not the dandruff. I need a... Wow. 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 Wow, my lippy is everywhere, I guess. Wow. Wow. I really... Wow. Okay, good. This is pretty necessary to use if you're trying to do lash extensions at home by yourself. So instead of holding a mirror, like actually have one placed down. So this is very necessary. So I don't really use these mirrors because I don't have space in my desk. I just use the hand mirrors. But yeah, wow, I just can't believe it. Yay, thank you, Falscara. I do have an affiliate link probably. It says that I'm an affiliate, so y'all can use my link or code. I don't know, put it here so y'all can purchase these products if you want. You don't have to, but I hope I give y'all like a little bit of, you know, help when choosing buying these lashes. I can't do a review. I can't recommend them. I've never tried them, but I did. Or if you just want to watch, because I just watch hauls. I just like watching them, so I'm pretty sure somebody else will. So yay! I can't believe they gifted me this for free. Like what? I still get. I can't get over it. Like what? Thank you so much. I can't. Again. Uy, tengo sed. Ay. Wow. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this Falscara unboxing. So bye, thanks for watching.